October the 17th officially became the International Day for the Eradication of Poverty in 1992. Since then, the world has made great progress in fighting poverty. According to the World Bank, 689 million people lived on less than $1.9 a day in 2017, compared with 783 million in 2013 and 1.86 billion in 1990. Developing countries like China have really made a difference. In 1990, over 66% of China's population lived under the poverty line. That number dropped to a mere 0.5% in 2016. Now, China is on course to end extreme poverty by the end of 2020. But it's not enough for the whole world. In 2018, of all the impoverished people in the world, 50% were children. Some 70% aged 15 and over had nearly no schooling. Over 40% lived in economies affected by fragility, conflict, and violence, and that number is expected to rise to 67% in the next decade. The COVID-19 pandemic only made the task all the more challenging.
For the first time in 30 years, poverty is rising. Human development indicators are declining, and we are careening off track in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals.
People living in poverty suffer many deprivations that perpetuate their conditions: dangerous work conditions, unsafe housing, lack of nutritious food, unequal access to justice, lack of political power, limited access to healthcare. This year, more than 88 million more people will be pushed into extreme poverty, bringing the total number to over 700 million. New research shows that climate change will also drive at least 68 million people into poverty by 2030. Without concrete and concerted global efforts, poverty is likely to stick around longer than we all would have hoped for.